Hello, today at Long Machine Tool Company we have for sale a closing 17 by 86 inch engine lathe. It will swing 17 inches over the bed, 10 and a half inches over the cross slide. It has that D18 spindle nose with a 3-inch bore. It has a top speed of 1600 RPMs and get down as low as 20 RPMs. This unit also has inch and metric threading, and it is equipped with a 3-jaw and 4-jaw chucks, quick change tool post, steady rest, drill chuck, center, and it also has that operator's manual. Now, this machine is complete and operates as expected. I'm going to run it for just a little bit so you can hear the spindle run. You can see that the clutches in it are good. Just get an overall feeling of how it operates. All the gear train is in good shape. This machine does have a newer 10 horsepower 3-phase motor on it. It is 220, or it's wired up for 220. Of course, it could be put on 440. I figure that it's about 12 foot long, 4 foot wide, and it weighs about 5,500 pounds. This machine's kind of a nice little old machine. It's going to need to have a paint job and put a little lipstick on it, and she'll treat you real well. Again, that's for sale at Long Machine Tool Company in Ferris, Texas. Thank you.